To enable active noise cancelling on Galaxy Buds Live themselves that are connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to set the touch and hold function for the Galaxy Buds Live to active noise cancelling. To do so, go to the app screen, find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type the app name, and then tap the app to open it. Tap touch control, tap left, and then select active noise cancelling. As a note, this will automatically set the touch and hold function for both earbuds to active noise cancelling. Tap the back key. To enable or disable active noise cancelling, wear both of the earbud and then tap and hold one of the earbuds. You will hear a beep or sound to let you know that active noise cancelling has been turned on or turned off. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.